Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 18th May 2026, Nifty index opened positive and remained range-bound for most part of the day with swings within a band, but failed to cross 23,850 marks. It later gave up strength and broke to 23,600 in the last hour to close with losses of around 30 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily as well as on the weekly frame. India VIX was down by around 1% to 18.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.01. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,100 to 24,100, while immediate range could be in between 23,400 to 23,900. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,329 crores, while DIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,959 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio increased to 12.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 23,700 for the next up move towards 24,000, while support can be seen at 23,400. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,000, some weakness could be seen towards 53,000, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 54,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Crompton, Solar Industries, Motherson, Biocon, Indus Tower, MCX, Dr. Reddy, and Mankind. While some weakness could be seen in Muthoot Finance, HAL, Voltas, BPCL, Hind Petro, Cochin Shipyard, Petronet, PNB, and Kalyan Jewellers. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.